Now before I start, I have a big disclaimer. I have been a big fan of the BMW 3 Series for the longest of time, and this review might sound a bit biased. And the car I have with me today is the most powerful and the most good looking 3 Series variant you can buy in India today ever since the M3 has been discontinued. Meet the BMW M340i xDrive. We will discuss about the exterior design, the cabin design, features and practicality in this video, but since it is a performance car, let's start by the engine first. Now what differentiates the 340i from the regular 3 Series variants is the fact that it gets an M badge, which means it is super powerful. There's a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine producing 387 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. Now enough of the talking and let's have some fun. Now BMW says that the 340i could do 0 to 100 kmph in just 4.4 seconds, and we won't refute that claim, for we had fun driving the new sedan. Surely it is no M3, but then being a M-3 series means it is a fun to drive car, and that is the biggest selling point for the M340i. The 8-speed auto gearbox, like rest of the BMW cars, works wonders, and you can easily push the car to its limits without putting much pressure on the engine. The exhaust note is even better, especially when you hear it from the outside. You get various driving modes, and for obvious reasons I kept my settings limited to the Sports Plus mode, but then you can also get Eco, Comfort and Sport mode. You can alter the settings like steering input, power delivery, throttle response and suspension settings. It also gets a xDrive, which means the car is essentially a 4-wheel drive with focus of power delivery on the rear wheels, making it a killer performer. It gets a M Sport suspension, which is a bit stiffer for the sporty ride but soaks in most of the bumps. The steering is on a heavier side and keeps the car planted in case you are planning any misadventures. For a car this powerful, the brakes are incredibly good, and you also get a brake energy regeneration system. Now that we have established that the BMW M340i xDrive is a stonker of a performer, let's talk how good the car looks. And the very first thing you notice is the nice and bright orange colored exterior, which is one among the 3 color option. It gets a typical 3 Series silhouette, making it look classy yet sporty at the same time. A few elements that BMW has added to differentiate include cerium grey elements in the matte lining enclosed large kidney grille, massive air intakes and sculpted bonnet. At the sides are large 18-inch M Light bicolor alloys and grey finished side view mirror, and at the back is the M rear spoiler. Overall, the BMW M340i xDrive looks engaging, especially in the sunset orange color I have with me today. And then elements like these matte finished ORVMs, the trademark kidney grille with the new touch and the blacked out rear lights adds to the dynamic profile. Move inside the cabin and you will see an all black theme with aluminium brushed elements. The seats and the seat belts get nice touch of M badge colors and blue stitching. The layout is similar to the rest of the 3 variants with large desktop mounted infotainment system, 12.3 fully digital instrument panel called the BMW Live Cockpit Professional, and iDrive control knob on the central tunnel and horizontally stacked AC vents. Technology wise, you get BMW gesture control, head-up display, parking assistant among others. Features wise, it gets a sunroof, wireless charging, ambient lighting, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and much more. In terms of practicality, the rear seats are decent enough for 2 full-grown adults while storage spaces are limited. The boot is deep and wide at 480 liters but not much in height. Should you buy a SUV or should you buy a sedan? Well, I won't go into that debate. all I can tell is, if you are in the market looking to buy a practical sedan that can go as fast as a rocket, the BMW M340i xDrive should be on the top of your list. Not only it is super fun to drive, it also carries the iconic M badge.